Hey guys, I'm Glory, and today we aren't playing Animal Jam. We are actually playing Pony Town. Yay! I actually found this game from Gaddiella82, from her beautiful live stream. Go subscribe now. Anyway, okay, so this is Pony Town. I look absolutely beautiful. But if we just go on to the game really quickly, I'm just gonna show you this real fast. Okay, here we are. Oh my god, it's beautiful here. Anywho, so as you can see here in my friends list, Orange Soda is Gaddiella82, and she absolutely beautiful. Wow, we have to be as beautiful as Gaddiella82 or as beautiful as this person. Oh my god, I want to be that. So basically, I'm gonna be trying to make the weirdest thing I possibly can. So let's get started. I think this is gonna be pretty easy because I am the master at making weird stuff. So let's go to make a new pony. Oh my god. Okay. This pony's name will be Weirdo number 1. No, not number 2, number 1. This is the weirdo number 1. Okay, so let's go here. I don't know what should we do. Alright. You know what? Let's make, what color should we make this pony? Oh my god, look at the character when I do this. Oh my god. Alright, maybe we'll make him a green kind of monster, maybe. Maybe like, oh my gosh. Alright, that looks pretty interesting. Let's see, what the heck is, oh my god. I don't know what that is, but it looks great. Using it. Nah. Alright, what is this? That looks like a croissant. You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna say that is a croissant. Actually, change this color to green so it matches. Yeah, right there. Alright, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, look at my pony. He's okay. He needs wings. Let's see here. What are the weirdest wings? These wings kind of look interesting. Oh, boo! I can't change the color. Okay, these ones are good. So these green one, no, right there, perfect. Oh my god, she's already looking great. Okay, what's this? Yeah, I think I need that. What's that? I want to see what that is. Show me what that is. Why, show me. Okay, fine, fine. If you wanna, just do that. It's completely fine. Let's do this. Let's see here. Whoa, alright, let's make it green again, because this is our green monster creature thing. And, this is just gonna be, yellow. That perfect. I'll change it up later. Alright, so, let's go on to the next weird thing. The mane. Oh, yes. Now this is going to be great. We need to find the perfect hair for our monstrosity. Oh my god. Or we could do that. Just have no hair. Let's see. Tail. No tail. Okay, no. We need a tail for that. We can be a shark. Yeah. We can, oh yes. Let's be a dinosaur thing. Why can't I have yellow as a thing? Alright, we have to change this color. Let's change it to the perfect color of green. Alright, what is that disgusting color of green that I have? Oh, yes, that's right. That's the one, right there. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. So, let's change it to yellow. Oh my gosh. It's so good. So, let's see here. Now, these are gorgeous. Alright, and a reindeer nose. Yeah, let's do a reindeer nose and make it yellow. Ooh, wow. Beautiful. Absolutely, no. Beautiful. Okay, facial hair. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, don't mind how beautiful that is. It's not complete. Other. Okay, alright, let's see here. Wow, these are going to make my outfit look absolutely fantastic. Starting with this. So, instead, we're gonna make it blue. Actually, no, we're gonna make it a greenish yellow because it needs the darkest color of that. Oh gosh. And then the lightest of that. You can barely see it. Okay, perfect. No, this one. Yes. Alright, that. Alright, there we go. Now it's good. Alright, so we need to do neck, cause, weird. Okay, we might have to remove the beard, but, we can't. That's just too hard to do for me. Oh my god. Okay, yellow. Make it a really good yellow. No, we don't need that. No. Okay, other. What is this? What is that? I don't actually know what these are. These are just interesting. Alright, well here's weirdo number 1 in our world. Let's go and play him. Oh boy. Oh god, there I am. Oh my god, look at that. I want to be cool like you. Hi. I'm gonna communicate with the other cool ponies. Hi. Oh. Wait. I'm weirdo. Will you be my friend? Oh my god, look, that person's like a red panda or something. I don't even know what the heck is happening there. Huh. Phantom, AJ, what? Hi, I'm weirdo. Someone be my friend. Will you be my friend? Wait, please. No, you. Please. I'm lonely. Oh, that person's name. Wholesome boy. Wow. No one wants to be my friend. Oh my gosh, what is happening in this world? Alright, now, oh my god, I got legs. Good job. You did well. Alright, let's start flying. Cause I can't, oh my god, what is this? What is this? Okay, so, I can open my, oh my lord. Let's just go hide in here. No one will see me. No one can see me in here. Book. Alright, let's run away before we do something with. Hi. Oh, no. Let's just continue. I want to make something pretty like this. Meh. Oh, my lord. Okay, it's time to evolve. Guys, we need to evolve from what I've done already. Gosh, this is a masterpiece, but we have to make it better. Places torn photo in pocket. I see. Alright, new. We're doing a new one. And it's, how can I start over this one? No? Whatever. Let's just do a new one. Alright, we're gonna do a new pony, cause, yeah. This one will be named Creepy number 30,000. Okay, your name is Creepy number 30,000. Everyone is going to love you. Okay, what's the creepiest thing we got here? Let's see. I think I have really big wings, and it's gonna be terrifying. Oh wait, I just got an idea. Okay, so we're gonna have the darkest color, which is obviously black. Whoa! Okay, and then nothing. Now for the face. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Eyeshadow. What the heck? Okay. Oh, why can I have no eyes? Why is that an option? Tail. Wait, I skipped tail. There. Oh my god. Okay. My name is actually just gonna be 30,000. So it's really scary. Oh. Okay, let's see here. Oh no. No. Not part of the creepy aesthetic. Ooh, maybe that is kinda perfect. Oh yes. And then for the head, we'll do, I don't know, what should we do for this head? Here's a bandana. Maybe we can do a bandana. But it looks scary. Oh my god. He is the queen. He is the king of the scariness. He's so scary. Okay, let's see here. What other stuff do we have? Head. Oh, we can have glasses. No one can see it though. Oh, actually, that is perfect. He wants eyes, but he doesn't have eyes. So these are his fake eyes. Oh my god. 30,000. Or no, yeah. How many numbers is that? Let's just call it 3. Hi, I'm number 3. Oh my god. I am scary. Why is everyone crying? Slash cry. Oh my god, no, I can't have eyes. This is red. Slash happy. Is that a thing? Wow. Apparently. Oh goodness. I am just scared. Oh my god, that guy is so cool. Mr. Crowley and you. I'm gonna fly away into the wild. Oh my god. What is that? Come here. Come here. You're beautiful. Come here. I have to say something to him. Hi. In all capitals. I am really excited to meet you. Oh my god, it's a gang. Hi, I would like to be part of your shadow gang. Please, please, please. Look, I can be really cool. No, that's the wrong button. How can I be cool? I don't want to. Wait, I can turn my head. No, 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 no. How do I close my eyes? I want to close my eyes. What is this? What does this do? I don't know. Hi! No, you are not part of the dark gang. No. Away! Away! As I go into the shadows. Oh, that guy just disappeared in the shadows. Wow, he's sneaky. I have no friends. Wanna be my friend? Are you sure about that? Please be my friend. Please, please, please. I'm going to sit down with you and I'm going to cry with you. I'm kidding. This is really sad. Wow. I think it's so sad that I might have to end the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this random video. Thank you for the idea, Gaddiella82. Please do subscribe, Gaddiella82, please. If you do that, then he is gonna be number 3 is gonna be really happy and he's gonna be really proud of you. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Peace out. Wait, I have to really peace out. Peace out.